If you put your trust in Allah, sincerely put your trust in Allah, wallahi, nothing will ever harm you, bro. You don't neglect the salah. You don't neglect giving zakat. You don't neglect coming to the masjid. Wallahi, Allah will protect you. And I know some people have actually passed away being innocent. And this is a message for the brothers that are thinking they are bad boy. Akhi, let down your life, bro. Stop your drug dealing. Stop your smoking as well. Nowadays, brothers are jumping on this pay-as-you-go shisha, which is vaping. Yeah? You pay for it, you get it. And one of the things that really baffled me is during Ramadan, I saw brothers that are wearing this uniform, this qameez, this thobe. I see a guy during Ramadan, akhi, and then I'm thinking to myself, my man's got miswak in one hand and vaping in another. I had to speak to him, bro. I said to him, akhi, what's wrong with you, man? If you're going to be doing these things, akhi, do not do it publicly, man. Because every single eye that sees you is going to speak against you in Yawm al-Qiyamah.